So, good day everyone. I am Danny Maglasang, a student from CTU Tambungon San Remigio Extension. So, I have always been curious about how people interact with the tools, spaces, and system around them. In my previous industrial engineering courses, I learned that small adjustment to work environments can make huge differences in safety, productivity, and well-being. This interest drew me to dive deeper into ergonomics, and I'm excited to build on what I learned in the first ergonomics subject. Outside of academics, I enjoy observing work processes in local businesses and thinking about how they can be improved for both workers and customers. For IEPC 3215 Ergonomics 2, I have 3 key expectations. I hope to go beyond basic concepts and learn how to design and implement ergonomic solutions for real-world settings, especially those relevant to local industries. Here in the Philippines, I also look forward to hands-on learning opportunities like conducting assessments, using measurement tools, and creating prototypes or recommendations that address actual ergonomic challenges. Additionally, with work styles evolving rapidly, including remote and hybrid setups, I want to understand how modern ergonomics adapt to these changes and support long-term health for all types of workers. So, this subject is closely connected to CTU's vision, mission, goals, and also the objectives, aligning with our vision of becoming a premier, inclusive, and globally competitive technological university. Ergonomics 2 equips us with skills that meet international standards for workplace safety and efficiency, making graduates like me competitive in both local and global markets. It supports our mission of producing competent graduates, generating relevant knowledge, and providing responsive community services by developing our competence in human-centered design, enabling research that benefits local workplaces, and assisting small and medium enterprises in our area with practical ergonomic improvements. And our institutional goals of enhancing quality of life through sustainable development are advanced by ergonomics focus on reducing work-related injuries, improving comfort and productivity, and creating systems that are sustainable for both people and the environment. Furthermore, it addresses key objectives like fostering critical thinking and problem-solving skills as we analyze complex workplace issues and develop evidence-based solutions, and promoting social responsibility by prioritizing worker well-being to build safer, more equitable work environments. In summary, I am eager to learn and apply advanced ergonomics principles, and I recognize how this subject is integral to achieving CTU's mission of building a better, more competitive, and caring community. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to a meaningful semester in ergonomics too.